Thailand has Koh Samui, Vietnam has Phu Quoc, Indonesia has Bali, and every single one of them is packed. Absolutely packed, with resorts, with jet skis, with tour groups, with the same photograph taken by 1 million people before you, but right there in the Gulf of Thailand, tucked quietly between Thailand and Vietnam, Cambodia has been keeping a secret. Dozens of islands, crystal water, empty beaches stretching for kilometers, local fishing communities that have been living the same way for centuries, and almost nobody is going there. Today, we uncovered 10 of those islands, from the famous ones you thought you knew, to the hidden ones that will make you question every beach holiday you have ever taken. Stay till number 1, because it is the most extraordinary island in Southeast Asia that almost nobody has heard of. And I mean that completely. We start simple, because Koh Tonsay, Bamboo Island, is exactly the kind of place that reminds you why you travel in the first place. Just 20 minutes by boat from Sihanoukville, this small island has stayed remarkably undeveloped while everything around it has changed. Bamboo trees lean over the water, the sand is soft and golden, the reef just offshore is intact and clear enough to snorkel without a guide. No sprawling resorts, no jet skis, no pumping music, just beach bungalows, hammocks, and the sound of the Gulf of Thailand doing what it has always done. It is not the most dramatic island in Cambodia, but it is the most gentle, and sometimes that is exactly what you need. And from the Bamboo Island, we travel east along the coast to something completely different, because Koh Tonsay sits off Kep province, and Kep changes everything. Rabbit Island, as locals call it, is a 20-minute boat ride from the small coastal town of Kep. And the moment you step off the boat, the pace drops completely. Hammocks hang between every palm tree, the beach curves in a quiet bay, and the sea is so calm you can hear your own breathing. But the real reason to come to Koh Tonsay is the crab. Kep is Cambodia's crab capital, and the crabs caught in these waters, steamed with Kampot pepper, are among the finest things you will eat in Southeast Asia. Full stop. Small fishing families run simple restaurants right on the beach. They cook what they catch, and they charge what things actually cost. This is island dining as honest as it gets. Now we go somewhere that most international tourists have not yet discovered, but that is about to change. Koh Sdach, the King's Island, located in KohRong province, just 10 minutes by boat from the mainland. This island is one of Cambodia's most naturally beautiful secrets. And unlike the islands further south, Koh Sdach welcomes you with something rare. A real community still living its original life, alongside tourism that is growing carefully and on its own terms. Roughly 70% of the people here are fishermen. The daily market sells whatever came in on the boats that morning. Children play by the wooden pier, and the pace of life moves in a rhythm that the mainland left behind a long time ago. But Koh Sdach is not staying hidden. Eco-resorts are opening. The beaches are white and the water is clear. Snorkeling, diving, island hopping, all of it is here. And almost none of the crowds. 90% of transport on the island runs on electric scooters. Organic vegetables are grown on the island itself. This is a community that is choosing to grow carefully, sustainably, and on its own terms. Come now, before everyone else does. We now travel to an island so remote, so untouched, that it will completely redefine what you think a perfect island can be. Koh Tonsay, part of the Koh Sdach archipelago in the upper Gulf of Thailand. And yet, this tiny island delivers an experience that most travelers spend their entire lives searching for. Just 1.3 kilometers long, 5 eco-bungalows, solar-powered, fresh air, complete silence. And at night, the sea around the island glows. Bioluminescent plankton light up the water in blue-green fire every time it is disturbed. You can swim through your own galaxy. You can pull your hand through the water and it trails light. You can float on your back and the sea glows around you in complete silence. Coral reef gardens surround the entire island. Wild iguanas walk between the bungalows. Eagles circle above the tree line, and fireflies fill the jungle paths after dark with a light show that belongs entirely to you. This is the Southeast Asia that everyone says is gone, It is not gone. It is right here. And now you know exactly where to find it. And if Koh Tonsay gave you silence, Koh Kiev gives you something even deeper. A true off-grid jungle island, just 45 minutes by boat from Sihanoukville. Some of the finest beaches in Cambodia are hidden here, behind walls of jungle so thick you cannot see the sand until you are standing on it. And that is exactly the feeling this island gives you. Discovery. Real, unscripted, personal discovery. Once you arrive, time changes. The rhythm of the island takes over completely. You wake with the sun. You eat fresh food prepared with whatever came in that morning. You fall asleep to the sound of the jungle and the sea meeting at the edge of the beach. Jungle trails connect hidden coves around the island, each one more beautiful than the last. The water is so clear you can see the reef 10 meters below the surface from your boat. Tropical fish move through coral that has never been crowded. And at night, with the warm air still and the jungle breathing around you, the stars above Koh Kiev are overwhelming. You will lie on the beach and feel genuinely small, in the best possible way. This is what it feels like to truly disconnect and truly arrive. And now, we shift to something completely different, because Cambodia's islands are not only for those who seek simplicity, some of them are for those who seek perfection. Koh Krabi, home to six senses, one of the most celebrated luxury resorts in all of Southeast Asia. The island itself is almost entirely untouched jungle. The resort occupies only a small fraction of the coastline. The rest is pristine wilderness that guests can explore freely and completely. Private pool villas sit in the jungle canopy. Spa pavilions hang in the trees above the sea. The beaches stretch in both directions, soft, empty, and completely yours. Here, extraordinary luxury and extraordinary nature exist in genuine balance. You wake up to the sound of birds in the jungle above you. You fall asleep to the sound of waves below. And everything in between is designed to make you feel that this exact moment is the finest one of your life. Koh Krabi is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, the kind that stays with you long after you have returned home. And Cambodia, quietly, beautifully, made it possible. And if Koh Krabi showed you what luxury in nature looks like, what comes next takes that feeling and adds something even more rare, a soul, Song Sa. In Khmer, the language of Cambodia, this means the sweethearts. And when you see these two tiny islands sitting side by side in the KohRong archipelago, connected by a footbridge over water so clear you can see turtles moving through it from above, you understand immediately why someone looked at them and thought of love. Koh Oen and Koh Bong, two islands that today house one of the most celebrated eco-luxury resorts in all of Asia, built from locally sourced and reclaimed timber, powered sustainably, surrounded by a marine reserve that has been protecting the reef here since 2007. The team is majority local. The foundation behind the resort has been running conservation and community programs in this archipelago for nearly 20 years. And the experience itself, waking in a thatched villa above the sea, kayaking through mangroves, watching the sun drop into the Gulf of Thailand from your private deck, is simply extraordinary. This is luxury travel with a genuine heart, the kind that makes you feel good not just while you are there, but long after you have come home. And from the heart of the sweethearts, we arrive at the island that quietly became Cambodia's most perfect paradise, KohRong Sanloem, Saracen Bay, a 2.5-kilometer crescent of white sand facing east, with water so shallow and so still in the morning that it looks like glass. This is the postcard image of Cambodia's islands, and it is completely real, no filter required. But Sanloem is more than one beach. On the western side, Sunset Beach and Lazy Beach face open ocean with waves that roll in beautifully against the shore. The jungle trail connecting them takes you past a lighthouse you can climb, with views over the entire archipelago stretching in every direction below you. And at the north of the island, Ampai Bay, a warm community of fishermen and travelers who came for a week and never left. People know each other here. They sit together in the evenings. The pace is gentle, unhurried, and completely its own. Jungle paths connect every corner of this island. The air is clean, the water is warm, and everywhere you walk, you feel like you have found something that was waiting specifically for you. KohRong Sanloem does not announce itself. It simply welcomes you, and that is exactly what makes it extraordinary. And after everything we have seen, every island, every beach, every extraordinary moment Cambodia has shown us, we arrive at the one that started it all, KohRong, Cambodia's second largest island, 78 square kilometers of jungle, mountain, and coastline surrounded by the Gulf of Thailand. Over 20 beaches, each one more beautiful than the last. The east side, Koh Tonsay village, has restaurants, bars, and the warm energy of a community that has opened its arms to the world. Vibrant, welcoming, and completely alive. But walk 30 minutes through the jungle interior, come out on the other side, and you will be standing alone on Long Beach. 4 kilometers of white sand stretching in both directions. Warm water, gentle waves, and all of it completely, gloriously yours. 4 kilometers of paradise on a single island. And at night, in the bays where the water is still, the bioluminescent plankton turns every movement into light. You swim through stars. You pull your hand through the water and it trails fire. You float on your back and the sea glows around you in complete silence. Waterfalls hide in the jungle interior, waiting for those willing to find them. Fishing villages on the north coast offer a warmth and simplicity that will stay with you long after you leave. Coral reefs stretch beneath water so clear they barely look real. KohRong is not just an island, it is an invitation to slow down, to go further, to stay longer, to choose the place that has more left to discover than you could manage in a lifetime. And Cambodia, right here, right now, is extending that invitation to you. 10 islands, one extraordinary country, and a coastline that is offering something increasingly rare in Southeast Asia right now: authenticity, space, and beauty that is completely, genuinely real. From Koh Rusay's gentle bamboo shade to KohRong's 4 kilometers of paradise beach. From the pristine wildlife sanctuary of Koh Tonsay to the glowing sea of Koh Tonsay at night. From fresh crab eaten by the water on Koh Tonsay to lobster grilled over charcoal on KohRong. Cambodia's islands are ready for you. The water is warm, the people are welcoming, the beaches are waiting, and right now, today, this is exactly what travel is supposed to feel like. Beautiful, honest, yours. Save this video, share it with someone you want to bring with you, plan your trip, and go. Cambodia is waiting, and I will see you in the next one.